Hi guys. Let's trade New York together. I was just watching a movie with my family and I've had to excuse myself to come and trade. I'm super excited to trade today. Not, I wouldn't say I'm super excited actually. I'm just, I can't even think. But basically, it's a permissible day, but I don't have a funded account to trade right now because I blew it. And I told myself that I'm going to give myself a new funded account next week. So yeah, I'm not trading on funded right now. Let me move my face out of the way. Ooh. No, can we move out of the way? Yep, there we go. Alright, we're obviously trading at all-time highs, so we'll start with the weekly time frame. We're obviously broken previous week high. We got previous week low down here. And here. And then daily time frame. Wow, all-time highs again. Low. No, some sort of SMT there. Low previous week lows, bullish SMT. So there's manipulation at that low. Smart money's buying at that low. Obviously got all these different order blocks. Not that there. Daily order block. And same thing here. 4-hour time frame. And we got this high up here. Oh, we've broken that high on ES within the 4 hours, so we got bearish SMT. Go lower time frame, see if we deliver off of it. Oh, did I even mark our previous day low? Here's previous day low. Haven't moved much today, so at least we can get some movement in New York. I'm really cold, guys. Really cold. I was putting some nail strengthener on my nails while I was watching the movie. Anyway, okay. SMT. SMT at previous day low. No? Yes. Let's go down on the 1 hour. So we got SMT at this high right here, put in with this candle. We look like we're actively failing this SMT. We're not delivering off of it at all. So I'm definitely more bullish. I think that we want to take this wick high. Getting pretty close to it, so I'm a little bit iffy on it, but I think that's the next draw. We've got this 1 hour Fair Valley gap. Oop, I need to write in it. 1 hour Fair Valley gap. This mega big 1 hour Fair Valley gap. We come in and fill this void here. So cold. We didn't shoot through this previous swing point, but we did on ES, like down here. This swing point. I'm more bullish just based on the bearish SMT failing to deliver. Let's see. We respected the discount PD array. Oh, we have bullish SMT here and then stop raid. Actually, just bullish SMT right here. And stop raid, just bullish all around. Then we have this mini SMT as well. Because I can hear my movie in the background and I want to watch it. I was just getting to the good bit. But it's fine. Okay. I'm more bullish and we're at all-time highs as well, so we're reacting over this higher time frame PD array as support. After we take this, I'm pretty sure that this high is all-time highs. So I don't know what price is going to do once we get to that. We have prices already dug into these wick highs here and we're not rejecting off of them. So I wouldn't say rejection block is a draw on ES. We also have all of these different levels here to take. So equal highs, 70, 25, yeah, that's equal highs. We're probably going to take those at open, or if we drop lower, I think we're going to take those as our main draw, but I can never be too sure. No, I'm not going to mark that as a rejection block. We got this 15-minute busy. CB, what am I saying? So we could go and want that. We got this range that we're playing with here. So we ideally want to see price go lower. We've also got this little fair value gap which will be holding towards open. I've got a mini one here. We've also got this inverse one on ES. So we want to see support probably down to this level here, I'd say. We obviously also have this internal low here which we could internally manipulate. Oh, we got stop rate SMT at the high. Pre-market. Taking that draw. So we could sell towards this draw on liquidity. Yeah, I don't love that we have that internal SMT put in, but is what it is. And we're in premium of the range, so we could just want to go lower now. We're at all-time highs, a little bit funny to trade. We have massive imbalances lower. We have draws lower. We have reasoning to go lower. Let's have a look at more higher time frame stuff, because clearly you're not really getting that directional bias on this chart, even though it does look like we're delivering off of that SMT, which is obviously good. We've even got this one internally too. We're really manipulating at this high here, so we're very much like sells, and if we deliver off of this, then that would be good. Alright. Let's see if we deliver lower, and we continue to deliver lower, but at the moment I'm gonna just go and have a look at the other bits and pieces that I need to be aware of. I want to have my little order thing on. some big sell orders in the market. I'm really jealous of not being able to watch my movie right now. Okay, we are above that 50% mark, but we could see lower. It does look like we're going lower towards it, but that means Smart Money could potentially be looking to sell. Got that one good. Okay. Seasonal tendencies. Seasonal tendencies is to sell into the start of the month, so seasonal tendencies is telling us that we want to go lower. Let's have a look at seasonal tendencies for the S&P as well. Again, same thing, we should go lower today into tomorrow, and then if we want to continue higher, we will, what am I thinking, later on. Alright. What I want to see is I want to go to this high time frame chart, and I want to start marking out some things for NASDAQ specifically. So if we have a look at our open interest on a high time frame, which is down here, Smart Money looks like it's still selling. There's no urgency to stop offering buys. And what about projections? No position trading projections. Alright. Let's see. Have I got the... Sorry guys, this is just stuff that I was trying to learn. Did I delete it? I think I did. Okay. 1, 2... Wait. I'm on the wrong bloody instrument. Like, wait a minute. We're at all-time highs. Why is there a high there? Alright. Let's delete some of these projections because don't really need them. Alright. 20-day look forward. We've already taken that. It's hard. We don't have any drawers. Guys. Let's go on that 1 hour chart. How long this is? Alright. See if I can remember how to do this. Wrong side. Didn't hit that projection level. Don't really know how else to do a projection, I'm not gonna lie. Let's have a look. Let's see what price is doing. Okay, we failed that SMT. Actually, we should have delivered lower here. We're failing that. Higher time frame, I'm pretty sure we have support of the high time frame BCs. Yeah, you can see on the 15-minute, respecting the 15-minute fair value gap, inverse the CB. Looks like we want to continue higher. Why is ES going lower? I'm not sure. Maybe we want to FOMO and short market open, but I'm pretty bullish on the day because all bearish sequences are failing and we are seeking respect off of the high time frame bullish discount P raise. Pretty sure that's all-time highs just there. Yep. Alright, let's see. Oh, well, I don't love this. We've just run up to all-time highs. And we're going lower on ES. Oh, yeah, we took it. Alright. Cool, we didn't take it on ES though. So we could just hold on SMT. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Let's jump back on the higher time frame and see what we're seeing high time frame. I want to know what's happening in the movie. Okay, we could hold a stacked SMT from here to here. Something like that. But if we take ES all time high, oh, it looks like we're going to. I can hear the orders. Yeah, there we go. Alright, all bearish SMTs failed. It was pretty clear. Well, my narrative early on was bullish. We have this SMT right here by our sellers manipulated into the markets at open. We delivered obviously extremely efficiently here. Now I want to pull back and I want to see some form of manipulation. Looks like we're sweeping that high on ES, but oh, never mind. I'm just gonna shoot through it. This is a tricky day. I'm just gonna wait for it to start going lower. This is ridiculous. Oh, I gotta see some type of internal manipulation to take anything. We're obviously bullish. Like, I don't think that just because we're at all-time highs I want to short. Because high time frame's still bullish, except from like the seasonals and stuff, but until I see a pullback and then we start respecting premium PDRAs as resistance, then I don't really feel like the structure has shifted. Because the fundamental side of things is telling me that we're bearish, but because we're at all-time highs, I feel like using my own discretion, it's more unpredictable. Especially because we should have been bearish yesterday as well, and we were also bullish based on seasonal tendencies and COT data. Here we go. Just so that I know what we're working with in terms of range. This down here is a protected low. Shouldn't really. Oh, we do have a void down here. Do you have any on NQ? Not on NQ. I want to see us get into discount of the range. That's what I want to see. Looks like manipulation. Yeah, here's some manipulation. This is ridiculous. I just broke my phone. Okay. What do we have? What are we working with? Literally nothing, by the way, but our range has increased in size. We're holding a bearish SMT here. We obviously put in the bearish SMT here. We haven't delivered at all. We're looking like we're starting to go low. We had a pullback, rebound to spec, continuing higher, failing that SMT. However, no, not yet. It's not time to long yet, in my opinion. Like, you could, but you're long off of hopes and dreams. We're literally longing in premium of the range with no draws higher. So I want to see, maybe this low has been kept here to trade back to later. Or maybe we could say it's some type of break and retest trade, but there's no pullback. There is nothing that I can really base any trades off of, to be honest. It's cold. I'm freezing. nails will try. I'd be really upset if they aren't. I think they are. Oh, this is wet. It's not fully dry. I'm so cold. Okay, I'll be back. Cold and I'm hungry. Being cold is not good for your nervous system. We failed the SMT soup trial. We look, you have good structure for ES. Not NASDAQ. NASDAQ's just running up. Like it doesn't care. Okay, I have an internal manipulation here. You got this generated liquidity here. Oh. But I wouldn't say it's like trend line. It's just low resistance. 2 swing points right here. Super low resistance, so yeah. This is on BS, honestly. I really missed the end of my movie to sit here and watch this. Still no manipulation. Are we gonna be interesting? Okay, we took this low. I'd say this is total, so people are probably thinking, yep, longing back to all-time highs. Yeah, people are longing off of like every single bullish candle they see after a pullback, so they're longing here. Boom, stop loss below here. So that's why that's a point of interest to get stopped out. They see us break another high, pull back again, print bullish. They're entering buy here, stop loss below here. Same thing here with the low we just took. So yeah, turtle soup. Turtle soup. Turtle soup. I'm bored now, like, there's nothing to do. I don't like that there's no, it hasn't come back into premium at the range. And we just manipulated a like all this high here, essentially. I want us to come into discount. Making higher highs, making lower highs. We got a discrepancy here. YM made a lower high, NQ made a higher high. So that is indicating that we may go lower. What about the 5-minute time frame? This is what I do when I see these conditions, by the way. I just look and I see what I'm dealing with. Like, what are the other assets doing? 745. 745. Okay, we took this low down here. This whole area down here we've already taken on YM. All the way down here. And then we put in an SMT and we're failing to deliver, so we are bearish. Structure is still leaning bullish, but away from these two assets, like, everything else is screaming bearish. So I think that we're going to be bearish. We have no draws higher. We don't have a full willingness to go higher, but I want to see, once we get into discount of the range, do we respect the PD arrays or no? Because what I want to ideally see is something like this, but I don't know if it'll happen in this session. I want to see something like this. And what are we doing on the weekly candle? We're just printing higher, so we want to probably close that candle. This is also the start of the new monthly candle. Yeah. So we're shorting off this range here. I want to see some type of manipulation in premium of the range. Because this is the new range we have. And this is where we're looking to short if we are wanting to short into a discount array. Discount array would be this one right here. That's the first PD array that we get to in discount of this higher range. So this is where I want to look to short to potentially, but I'm only going to be looking to short I'm only going to be looking to short. Okay, hello. I'm only going to be looking to short on paper. I'm not, like, this isn't, not, I wouldn't trade these conditions on a funded account. Oh, hello. Ooh, I'm craving some chocolate. Guys, I can't be broke anymore. Like, this is ridiculous. I need chocolate. I need, like, a waffle. That's what I want. I want a waffle. Alright, so what did we respect? We respected this bullish PD array here, but we are still in premium of the range, so there is still nothing I can take a trade off of. However, what we have done is we have put in bullish manipulation right here. So that is a signature, an algorithmic signature. We have souped all the highs here. So anyone who's like, let me catch the high of this move, I'm going to be a genius. I'm going to catch the high of day. Now we've taken all of those traders out that aren't waiting and aren't being patient. And cool. No one's in the market now. On ES at least. No stop losses here. No stop losses here. What are they doing now? Might be putting stop losses below here. But all in all, we know that macro market wise, we're bearish. NQ and ES are obviously bullish, but we are so far into premium of the range that we need to have some type of internal manipulation discount of the range to continue higher. Okay, if we continue bearish after this candle here, if we like continue and we print a bearish candle, or this candle flips back to be bearish and closes a strong bearish candle, I'm gonna want to short, because that would be SMT failing. Everyone's out of the markets, sellers are out of the markets, buyers are out of the markets. I don't think people are selling off of this right now. Sellers probably not wanting to get into the markets. Only people that are going to be in the markets are buyers, and they're going to have their stop losses here. They're going to have their stop losses here, and they're going to have their stop losses down here. So if we can print bearish, then we can look to do a demo trade. Like, this is like, I would not trade. This isn't a trade that I'd be looking to take. Why don't I hear anything? But maybe get some big money sell positions from this sound thing. That'd be good. Low key. That would be ideal. The first PMI is today. Yeah, I want to hear some selling. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Okay, never mind then. Oh, no, never mind then. I was like, oh, we got an SMT. No, we don't. Alright, so that idea failed to play out. That's fine. Like, market doesn't have to listen to me. Just because I say that market's going to do something doesn't mean it actually will. I think we're just generating liquidity right now. I don't, like, think that we're really doing much. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I think the only thing that price could have just done then is invite a bunch of buyers, because now we have more stop losses accumulated at the lows that I pointed out earlier. So before we took out lows when we put in this candle here, now it's probably going to be stop losses sitting here. Oh, no? Okay. Maybe I'm just too biased in right now. Let me self-reflect. Hello? Wow. Price is moving. Maybe I'm being like one of those stupid people that's always trying to like short at all-time highs when it's like we're clearly going higher. I just really want to see price get into discounted range, because I don't really feel confident trading if I don't have like a decent premium rated target. Okay, people said they took longs somewhere over here. To me personally, I don't want to take those. Like, I don't mind sitting out. Like, I would just prefer take something where I'm trading in discount of the range. While this is peak premium, we haven't had a pullback. Yeah, we've had internal manipulation, but just how price was moving here, it wasn't giving like we're going to deliver strong, and then we printed doji. Like, I don't think price is going to do anything. I'm so bored. Alright. I don't think this is a good day to trade. Let me check the Discord once again and see what everyone's saying. Yeah. May as well get off. Like, there's nothing to do. I'm hungry. I haven't had dinner, and we're not gonna get a pullback, rebalance, internal manipulation, displacement, rebalance, respect in the next 6 candles. So, yeah, and if we do, volatility will probably drop. And we've already moved up 300 points. We've already moved up the daily range for what we should have today. Since open, so I'm not really expecting price to go. I mean, price is probably going to go higher. I mean, look at the way it's moving, but I'm not looking for shorts because that's going to be against my narrative, against the clear bias for the day, and there's no point entering longs now because we've already pretty much traveled most of the daily range. So I'm gonna go get myself some food and continue studying. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. Bye.